Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss the top 10 coding interview questions with answers to help you ace your next coding interview. These questions are commonly asked by companies and will help you showcase your knowledge and skills. 1. What is your experience with programming languages? What are your favorite languages and why? My experience with programming languages includes Java, Python, and C++. My favorite languages are Java and Python due to their rich ecosystem and wide-ranging applications. 2. Can you explain the concept of OOP, Object-Oriented Programming, and its importance in programming? OOP, or Object-Oriented Programming, is a programming paradigm that focuses on the structure and behavior of individual objects. This concept helps create modular, reusable code, and improves the overall design of a program. In my opinion, OOP is essential for any programmer. 3. Can you give an example of a project you worked on that used OOP principles? Sure. Here's an example of a project I worked on using OOP principles, a project to create a chess game. In this project, I created separate classes for pieces, the board, and the game logic. This allowed me to separate the concerns of the game and make the code more modular and reusable. 4. Can you explain how you handle bugs in your code and what strategies you use to solve them? When dealing with bugs, I first perform a thorough error analysis to understand the root cause of the problem. I then try to identify any potential vulnerabilities in the code and implement any necessary security measures. Finally, I apply known bug fixes and strategies to resolve the issue. 5. Can you describe the process of designing a database structure for a new project? Designing a database structure involves identifying the required tables and relationships between them. I start by analyzing the project's requirements and determining the data needed. Next, I create a logical data model that represents the structure of the database. Finally, I convert the logical data model into a physical database structure. 6. What are some of the most common database errors and how do you prevent them from happening? Some of the most common database errors include data integrity issues, inconsistencies, and performance problems. To prevent these errors, I follow best practices for data entry and maintenance, ensure the database structure is properly designed, and regularly perform maintenance tasks. 7. Can you explain the concept of API, Application Programming Interface, and its importance in software development? An API is a set of functions or methods that allows a program to communicate with another program or system. This can be done through a web service, a mobile app, or a command line interface. An API can significantly improve the integration and communication between programs, making them more interoperable and efficient. 8. Can you give an example of an API that you've used in your previous project? Sure. In my previous project, I used the Google Cloud Platform's APIs to implement a real-time data processing system. This allowed me to access and process real-time data from various sources, such as sensors and cameras, and streamline my data processing pipeline. 9. What are some tips for maintaining a healthy work-life balance in the tech industry? Maintaining a healthy work-life balance in the tech industry can be challenging, but it's essential for personal satisfaction and productivity. I follow these tips: prioritize tasks, manage time effectively, take breaks, and stay organized. 10. Can you explain the concept of cloud computing and its importance in today's digital world? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, such as software, storage, and processing power, over the internet. This concept has revolutionized the way we store, manage, and access data. Today, cloud computing is an essential component of most digital systems, from smartphones and wearables to enterprise-level software applications. That's our top 10 coding interview questions with answers. I hope these questions will help you prepare for your next coding interview and showcase your knowledge and skills. Good luck!